Y'all, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we about to do a mukbang. Y'all, we got to do this quick mukbang because it about to get dark right now. I'm gonna eat me some Dairy Queen, y'all. I'm gonna see what they got new here at Dairy Queen to do a mukbang I was about to go home and cook me a sub sandwich or whatever, but y'all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and baby girl, let's get into this vlog. Let's get into this mukbang. But y'all, I know I'm so far away. Y'all know, Mama got this new car. Hold on, y'all. Let me pick this seat up. My mama got this new car, y'all. And I feel like I'm gonna just wave by here, y'all. You know? I'm just too far away by him. Yeah. And I don't know how to work this new car. So, yo, girl. Yeah, girl. I don't know how to work this new car. But we in here, though. We up here. So, I can't go over $10. If I do go over $10, I got some minis. So, damn, I spent $20-something at Walmart. So, that would be in the other blog. Then I got to go home and edit, girl. And I got 2 mukbangs to edit. So I got this mukbang and I got the one this morning when I went and ate breakfast at Hardee's. So I did the chicken biscuit. So the chicken biscuit combo. But now I don't know what I'm gonna get right here because I really don't feel like cooking. So why not just go somewhere and eat, bro? Yeah. Oh Lord, and it's a long line, and people are still pulling up, y'all. So I'll be back when we get up there. Y'all, they got the new blizzard up here. The new damn, they look like Reese cook. I don't eat Reese's stuff, the original. Reese cream. This is caramel blizzard. Oh, we about to see. Hold on. Oh, this is new. Oh, let's get it, y'all.
May I get the order, please?
The number 8 combo.
What's a drink?
Sprite. And the Reese Blizzard.
What size?
Medium.
Did you want the new one or just a regular Reese?
The new one.
Okay, anything else?
That'll be all.
1855, please turn around.
Oh my God, y'all. 1855. Oh my God. My God, today. Okay. My God, today, y'all. It about to get dark, so we gotta eat this, world. We gotta hurry up and choke Mr. Right down. these stars. Ooh, my head itching. Okay, let me really get this food. Okay. I'll come back when we get ready to get the food, y'all. Now, I just seen a silver cyber truck. A silver one, y'all. A silver cyber truck. That thing looked so ugly. It looked like a whole diet root beer can, girl. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get my car back.
I love your lipstick.
Thank you.
It's so pretty.
All right. Y'all, people here so nice. Yeah, this so nice up here.
You don't have that for.
You too. Okay, y'all, I got my Bluetooth. Let's go somewhere and eat this morning. We're gonna go right here into the lobby. Oh, he too old for me. Oh, this part right here. This like some good. Oh yeah, it's some good lighting right here. Okay, so let's get into it. So I need something to put behind. Okay, y'all, we about to eat some Dairy Queen. Let's eat some Dairy Queen, y'all. So we got Dairy Queen right here. Let's do a thumbnail, and we're gonna try this new blizzard. Yeah. Oh, look at them fries. They cooked them just right too. Hold up, y'all. Yeah. I had a lot to do. Cause I don't be trusting people in here, y'all. I don't trust. Oh, it's opening. Let's look at this. I got the one with the bacon on it, y'all. Oh my God! Look at that. Ooh. That is so nice. Oh, it got the white cheese on it. Oh my God. Let's bite into this. Oh. Oh, it's a little spicy. Oh, I thought it's a little spicy. Mm-hmm. It's about to rain, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My God, today. This is fire. Mm. This is it. Y'all, I'm hungry. Oh, they got a little spicy, give me hiccup. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh my God. Uh-huh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Y'all, when I have a good food, I don't like to talk. Uh-huh. Mm. I just be eating. Mm. I see raindrop. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna eat that hamburger. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna duck that thing down. Y'all about to... Ooh, hiccup. Oh. Oh my God, I heard it. Y'all about to hear rain. Y'all about to hear the rain falling. Mm-hmm. Well, anyway, let's try this blizzard. Let's try this new Reese's blizzard. Y'all, I don't eat peanut butter, but I eat peanut butter when my hormones is active. Mm-hmm. When my hormones active, then when I eat it. I'm like, they gave me too cool. Look at this. Ooh. Mm. Look at that blizzard. Ooh. Let's take a thumbnail with this too. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Mm. Oh my God! Oh my God! That is fine! Oh my Lord! Ooh. Mm. Y'all, I did not get my driver's license. I got to go back. I just redid my permit, but I do got to go back to get my real driving license very soon. Mm-hmm. I think this is a long-term permit. Well, I can also get my real one. That I will get. I'm gonna get some of these French fries and dip it up in here. Oh my God, look at that. Oh. Oh my God. Lord have mercy on my soul. Oh my God. Let me just pick them French fries in there like that. Oh, look at those French fries. Y'all, this blizzard is good. Y'all got to try this new blizzard, this new Reese's blizzard from Dairy Queen. But when I tell y'all I had a full day, I blocked it. Y'all see my full day. A pan bills. I cannot film over that DMV. But yeah. Like I learned in my career, everything do not have to be filmed. Yeah, I am living. I am living for this. Yeah. Might enjoy that blizzard later. Eat that later. Alright guys, this is it for this video. So go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, follow my social media down below, use my discount code down below, and baby girl, I will see y'all in the next mukbang. Love y'all, bye. We'll be eating the sub sandwich and making the sub sandwich in the next video. So love y'all, bye. Hit a hamburger emoji and the ice cream emoji down below. Yep. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.